welcome back to my channel, Isha's Rainbow World, and today I'm gonna unbox my new Deluxe Browser Castle playset of Super Mario. And here are its characters, and this is how the castle looks. And it has 4 special things. First, it has a music system. Second, it has a lift. And this third one is a surprise for you all. And this one is a trapdoor. And now let's unbox it. So first thing, we're going to just lay it down because it's super big. Here we got it. And here we got our characters. So guys, tell me in the comment section which is your favorite character from them all. So now I will just take them out. They look super cute. I like the princess. So this is the Peach princess. This is the Browser. This is the Louis. This is the Mario. So first we will just take out the Mario. So here we have our Mario. Oops. Mario is beautiful. Okay, we're just gonna lay down Mario. He's not standing. Here we got our Louis. Louis is standing. And here we got our beautiful Princess Peach. Browser. Oh, Browser, please stand. Oh, we got here our cute star and little mushroom. So we will just take that. Oh, look at the star. And just pop it out. Pop, come on. Okay, here we got our little mushroom. And here we got our question box. Come on. Okay, here we go. Come on. We're just gonna take it out. Here we got our question box. And we got our 1 coin and 2 coins. So we got all our characters are here. These are all of our characters. Tell me in the comment section which one do you like the most. And we're gonna put them down here. Oops. They're gonna stay down. And the coins and the star. And now we will open the castle. Are you guys excited? I'm super duper excited to open this castle. I'm gonna open it. Oops. It's gonna come here out. Okay. Here it's out. Okay. So I will just, yes, thank you. And now we will just take out this. So this is just that. We will open it at last. So here it is. So here we have in it stickers and the guide with which we can make our castle, and we got 2 cells. So we don't need to buy any cells because it has its own cells. And here's the gate. How do you like the gate, guys? And here are the sides for the castle. Here we will just join them. And what is this? Oh, it's the last floor. It's the last floor. And do you see this red thing? It's the lava. Okay. Oops. So what is? Okay, it's the sides also for our castle. And this is our lift. We will put it here. And here is our trapdoor, like that. And when we will press this button, this we could press also. And then this will open, the trapdoor will open. And I will show you it in our castle. And the next thing we got is our top for our castle. So I'm just gonna take our box out. And here is our small lift. It's a cage, just a cage. Yes, it's a cage, not a lift. I'm gonna just put the boxes down. And wow, this is amazing. Here we got is the top, the second top for our castle. And I'm gonna just open it at the front. Please, come on, please open. Okay. I'm just gonna put it down. And we're gonna open this at the front. Come on, please open. Okay, it's open. Oh, it's super spiky. How do you like it, guys? Okay, it's just looking like a high hat for me. That's funny. And now we will open the top. Okay, it's a little hard to open it. Okay, here it is. Oh, beautiful tops. Not the tops. So here we got it. Oh. And here we just open it here. And we will just open it from here. From here. here it is. How do you like it, guys? Tell me in the comment section. How do you like it? So I will open it. Did you like it? Did you like it? And here, like that. We just press this yellow button and it will just come. So I will just put the left here, and here's the R left, and we will put the left button here. I will just throw this down. And now we'll open this. So we will open it later. For now, we will just open this. Oh, it's a beautiful cage, guys. How do you like it? The cage. Isn't it a beautiful cage? Okay, there we'll open it. Okay, so here as you can see, we will just open it from the downside. And here we got this little S. It's not an S, but we can just put it like that. And just put it here. And what is this for? So now we will open this. Okay, so here we got the lava floor, and it's super hot, I guess. So this is the smallest part, the down part, and now the walls. Walls are the most important thing, guys. Come on out. Okay, and here we got our walls. So these are our two walls. We will just put them. Okay, I will just see them later. Okay, here we put. And here we got our top piece. How do you like it, guys? Isn't it cool and beautiful? So for the top piece, this hat will come here. Why do I say it's hat again and again? It's not a hat, actually. Okay. Here we will put it. Here, it's done. How do you like the top, guys? And we will put the top here. The down section. You got it. Now we will open the gate. I'm super excited to open the gate. Okay. Hi, guys. And here's our gate. We will put it here. Okay, we'll just put it here for some time. And down floor. And in this we got only the papers and the stickers for our kettle. So before we do it, we will just open this side like that. We got our sides. Now we will just put them here. And here we got our shells in it also, and we will just tear it. So it's tiered. Here we got our shells. And here we got our inner stickers. How do you like them? They're a kind of scary. And this is a sticker for our gate also. Oops. And here we got our stickers. So here is black stickers and the window stickers. And here's the papers, instruction papers, with which we can just see how we will just put our castle or assemble our castle. So now I will just see them. So here, first we will assemble this like that. And I will just see from inside. So as you see, we will just clip it. You see these two boxes and these two things. We will just put them together, and then we will just press that, glue it, and here's another side. Here is another side. So we'll just do it like that. Clip, and now. So I will just try. So, and now we will clip. Okay, it's done. And now we got our first floor. We will put the floor right over this side. So I'm gonna just put it down and like that. We will put it. I'm gonna just, and here we will just wait. Here, got it. And here's our first floor. Cool, right? And here's our second floor. Oops. Flip, right, and flip. So, second floor is also ready. Is that funny? It's really funny for me. And at this side, we're gonna put these. Like that, okay? And we'll put them here. There they are. So, now we will put on the roof. Okay, the roof is here. Let's check it from up. Here we will. Here. This one. And it's not mixing. I tried it again. Oh, side. Okay, so our roof is done. Oh, now we will put our lost princess, and we will just hang her up in our little cage. Ah, she's gonna fall. Okay, I'm just gonna turn her this side. Okay, just gonna turn her right here. Okay, it's okay. Now Now what we will do is we will pick our backgrounds for our castle, and we will... So our background is done. Now I will show you how does it look from inside. So this is how it looks from inside. And oh no, what's going on in the castle? Louis, you need to press the button fast. Mario is saying, Louis, press the button. Ha ha ha. And the browser is now died because he is in the lava. Ha ha ha. And now we will just open the princess. Okay, come on, princess, we will take you out. And here our princess is coming. I will carry you, princess. Okay, yay, our princess is out now. Thanks, Louis and Mario, for helping me. Bye, guys. Love you all. I will see you in next video.